back with another one. We got a Kendra's Mukbang for y'all today.
Yeah, and we also gonna be playing How Much Would You?
How much would you? That's the game. That's what we're gonna be asking each other. How much money would you do something for, or whatever the case may be.
We got our lemonade right here.
Yep, and I got orange soda. Damn near gone though.
Boatload of barbecue sauce.
Boatload of
Gotta have the barbecue sauce. Got the pulled pork potato right here.
Loaded. Definitely. And these is famous ball tip sandwiches.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. I'm about to try some of that. I ain't never had it. I always get the famous ball tip sandwich. I don't know why. I just never tried nothing new.
The lady told me it's good though, so
yeah.
we finna see.
We finna see what this is about. Definitely. Finna dig in. It's gonna be hella good.
This smell hella good.
That's for sure.
This
good.
And it looked like the nigga was outside grilling this one.
He was outside grilling this shit. I ain't never seen no shit like that, but they a big franchise, so I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work. He probably wasn't supposed to be doing it. I don't know. He probably was. I don't know how that shit go. That's crazy.
This jerk chicken good.
It's good. Let me try that. Let me get a bite of that. I always go here. I always. Let me see.
That's good.
I'm gonna start getting that. I'm gonna start getting that.
That's the second time we got this potato too. We've been trying a lot of new things here.
Yeah, for real. I give him like 8.5 stars, 9.
So far, so good.
So, let's dive into this game.
You wanna go first?
What would you do? How much would you do it for? I mean, yeah, I'll go first. Ask me first. I don't know. I guess. Yep.
How much would you rob a bank for?
How much would I rob a bank for?
Yeah.
How much would I, if I could get out the bank?
Yeah. Like somebody's like,
and I'm not working for nobody,
let's
right?
Let's go rob a bank.
Oh, me and my niggas just wanted to do it?
Yeah. Like,
shit.
Like how much they gotta be like, yo, cut it for you to be in?
Shit. If it's 3 niggas, we kicking that thing in. We going stupid.
Gotta be like thousands, millions.
Nah, it's gonna be I hit for some thousands for some bands for sure, but it gotta be really worth it though. It gotta be like we gotta hit for like 500, at least 500. We all split a couple.
All right, it's your turn.
It's so good.
Some more barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, A1.
Yeah, this ain't regular barbecue sauce. This that famous Kendra's barbecue sauce. They go crazy. But
I think they sell in the grocery stores too.
yeah, they actually do. You can get them at Safeway. Food Max, yeah. I don't know about other states, but that's how it is in Cali.
My potato.
That go crazy. So how much would you since you asked me how much would I rob a bank for, how much would you rob a makeup store for?
Makeup store?
Or a hair store or something.
Or like Sephora or Mac or something?
Yep. Some Sephora or Mac. You and your girls gotta go up in there and doing y'all thing. Y'all gotta be like, set it off. For real.
Funny. It won't even be that serious at the makeup store. Because 9 times out of 10, the security guards probably can't even touch you. They probably just gotta watch you just walk out with that shit.
They gonna tackle your little ass for sure. Definitely.
I got wheels. I'm fast. And I'm small. I'll be like, swoop.
Swoop what?
In and out.
In and out what? In and out
And
of jail.
everything gone.
What you talking about?
What?
You gonna be in and out of cuffs doing that.
How much?
I don't think you got it.
Probably like 10,000, 5,000.
10,000. That's a cool, little makeup store run.
Cause some makeup that should be costing.
That's light work.
You get like 200.
That's light work. That's cool though. That ain't nothing. Who just got that good steak on there? We shouldn't even be eating steak, but sometimes.
So I'm gonna be eating red meat, huh?
We just said that last week.
I think we just gonna eat less red meat.
Yeah,
then
less red meat.
probably in the future just cut it all off, but not just yet.
We need to start with this steak first, though. For sure.
2020, we're trying to be healthy.
For real. I'm trying to get this body back. I used to be nice. Go on my Instagram. Matter of fact, I don't even think I got that picture up there no more.
I need my dancer 6-pack back.
Yo, dancer 6-pack. She swear up and down she used to be a dancer.
If you know me, you know.
No, huh?
You know?
Straight up, huh? Who you was dancing for?
Tech, Laney, Tassa Farango over there in the east when I was in elementary school. And the little bus used to come pick me up from school after school was over or pick me up from my house on the weekend.
I need some more barbecue sauce on this thing. I don't know, it's like the barbecue sauce ran out or something. They loaded this up with the barbecue sauce. We need to store that.
Somebody upstairs playing some music. You hear it? The beat hella loud. Let me see. Next question. How much would you eat worms for?
Eat worms, bro.
Yep.
I'm on verify.
You gotta eat 3 worms. How much they gotta give you?
Is they live? Or
Yeah,
is they
they
dead
alive.
like
They
we
ain't
get a
dead.
dragon?
Oh, they alive. Like the ones Jordan eat. They swarming around still. Gotta eat. It's only 3 of them. The long ones. How much you gonna do
long
for?
ones?
Yep.
Oh, the little crunchy ones?
The ones inside the bag. The little sack.
Crunchy ones, yeah.
How much you go?
Man.
Eat 3 of them for?
3 of them, bro?
Not them little itty bitty.
I need 10 bands too.
10.
3 of them. Something, that's like, I need 10. So if you want to pay me 10 bands to eat 3 of them motherfucking mealworms, I'm your guy. I think.
Until you see them, you naturally gotta eat them.
Exactly. I don't know. I don't know about that though. That shit nasty. I barely like
It's gonna
touching
be over there.
my
It's gonna be
hands.
quick. Choo swallow. 10 bands. Boom.
Man. I don't know about that.
You could drink you some soda and shit out there. Wash the flavor out your mouth. You just gotta eat them.
No, I don't know about all that.
What?
Don't know.
I do it. Give me 20. I eat them.
20 what?
20 bands.
20 bands, eat 3 of them?
Yeah.
20 down?
Yeah.
She asking for too much.
Nuh-uh.
You asking for too much.
No, because what if I get sick from them?
Man. Hey.
20.
So 20 worth the sickness too?
You gonna help towards them bills, them doctor bills.
10 is too. Oh, you need to splurge with 10 and then put the other rest up for the bills and stuff. Man,
Invest.
so young street punk. So ass up out of here.
Your time, brother.
So how much? I don't know. What's a good question? What's a good one? We should have asked y'all these questions before.
Yeah. Part 2.
Before we
gotta do a survey.
made a video. We just going off the top of our head.
We had to post something because we gotta start being more dedicated.
Alright. So how much they gotta pay you to, okay, let's say if your business got big, because, okay, so what she do is she be making jewelry and stuff. So.
And I'm finna start selling clothes, so
Yeah.
be out on the lookout.
Yep. So let's say if you was getting big in your business, it's your like 2 years and your stuff, and you getting big, you making hella money or whatever. Let's say if you made, let's say you made your first $500,000. And somebody wants to come up and they wanted to do a partnership, or matter of fact, nah, fuck a partnership. Let's say they wanted to buy your shit. How much they gotta buy your company for?
I buy my business now?
Yep. How much they gotta buy your business for? That's if you already made $500,000 though.
They can't buy it.
They can't buy it, huh?
Unless they may give me a large percentage. That's only 5,000. 500,000. I ain't even touched no millions yet. If I'm making 500,000 in 2 years, you know how much I can be making in the future?
No, for
They
real.
can't buy it.
Gotta think smarter, not harder. Huh. Or work harder, not smarter. That's the thing. That's the
You
slogan.
gotta trust the process.
I need some Kool-Aid. Yeah. Something in life is not for sale. It's not replaceable. I mean, well, some stuff is replaceable because you probably.
And then it's like they bought that for 500,000, right? And then I get my 500,000. You know how quick 500,000 gonna be gone, and then like what you gonna do now?
Yeah, though, you made
Everybody
500,000.
your company.
Let's say you made 500,000
name.
and they gave you another 500,000. So that's what I'm saying. You gonna have $1 million.
Oh, still ain't one
Still ain't
now.
nothing. You could start up with you could start up a whole nother company.
But now I'm gonna have to think of a whole nother name and shit.
Whole nother name, whole nother.
Cause now K's Customs, that's theirs. You're mine no
For
more.
real, huh? I'm over here getting full. I had already ate a half of my sandwich before we got on the video. I was hungry.
Let's see. What is a good question?
Put this loaded potatoes. This gonna hit.
Alright. How much would you eat the hottest pepper in the world for? Hottest in the world.
I already don't like hot food. And I already think the littlest, hottest stuff.
You don't even like hot chips, y'all.
I already be thinking that be
And
hot.
hot chips ain't even hot.
My mouth be burning. It be crazy. I don't know. The hottest in the world? Damn, it gotta depend on how
hottest
the hot is. It gotta depend on how hot is the hot.
The hottest. I mean, extreme.
Man,
You gonna feel it in your chest.
man, if I'm gonna do all that, if I'm gonna be blowing fire out my mouth like a dragon, shit, I need
You gonna be in
200.
there like milk.
Give me 200K. 100. Damn, it really depends on how hot is the hot though is. Cause I don't know how hot the hottest pepper in the world. I don't even know how hot a pepper
Let's
is.
see.
I don't even know how hot a regular pepper
You
is.
can kind of tell.
So if a jalapeno hot, no. Yeah, if the little, the little green jalapenos that be coming on the little burritos.
They say it's the Carolina Reaper,
The
record
Carolina
holder. These look like a little flower, like the little Day of the Dead flowers.
I ain't fucking with that. That's gonna kill me. That's out.
Oh yeah, I think it's hella hot if this is the little shit for heat. Comment if y'all know anything about a Scoville scale. Whatever it is, it's in the millions. Exceptionally hot. Hotter than a ghost pepper. 200,000? That's it?
It look like you full because you ain't touched your food in a minute. Yeah, exactly.
Why you trying to put me on blast?
I'm alright. I've been said I was full.
Your question.
My question. Let's say if you was living up in Michael Jackson Fairyland, let's say if he gave it to you, how much they gotta buy that thing from you for?
Like he gave it to me, like in his will was like, get us to Keonnia.
Yep.
They want to buy it.
Yep, you got Fairyland to yourself. Or whatever it's called. Fairy, whatever. I don't know what it's called. I ain't even gonna lie, but I know it's hella big. And it's like, and it's.
But I think it already
y'all know
got
what I'm
sold though.
talking
Let me see. I think somebody bought that too. I wonder how much they bought it
Man. But let's say if he gave it to you though, how much they gotta get that thing? How much they gotta
billions,
get?
definitely.
Some billions, huh?
Hell
Damn, you
yeah,
got
nigga, that was
too
Michael
much.
Jackson. What you mean?
Nigga, please, ain't nobody buying that shit for no billion.
Yes, they would.
Please,
Look,
some millions, some
How
millions.
much is it worth?
A cool, probably like 250 million, maybe. That's probably how much it's going for. I don't think it's going for no more than that. I think Drake's shit bigger than that. Drake on top. The house is his house, so. Man.
Nigga, it is worth 161 million.
160 exactly. I said 200 exactly. Exactly. That's
okay.
Deep.
Then
That's at the bottom of the
they
margin.
have to give me if it's worth 161, like 100 mil.
What? You want less? Oh nah, yeah. You getting work slapped over the head. I'm giving that away for free. Yeah. So we finna end this mukbang because it look like somebody full.
But we
I'm
can
full
continue
too.
the game though.
We good time. We good. I got hella time still. I don't know. Yeah,
That's
move
another
this
question.
thing. Move the box.
Let me see. I think I got
Something in life is not for sale. It's not replaceable. I mean, well, some stuff is replaceable because you probably.
And then it's like they bought that for 500,000, right? And then I get my 500,000. You know how quick 500,000 gonna be gone, and then like what you gonna do now?
Yeah, though you made
Worry about your
500,000.
company.
Let's say you made 500,000
name.
and they gave you another 500,000. So that's what I'm saying. You gonna have $1 million.
I'm still ain't
Still
1
ain't
mil.
nothing. You could start up with you could start up a whole nother company.
But now I'm gonna have to think of a whole nother name and shit.
Yeah, whole nother name, whole nother.
Cause now Case Customs, that's theirs. You're mine no
For
more.
real,
How much would you eat the hottest pepper in the world for? The hottest in the world.
I already don't like hot food. And I already think the littlest, hottest stuff.
You don't even like hot chips, y'all.
I already be thinking that be
And
hot.
hot chips ain't even hot.
My mouth be burning. It be crazy. I don't know. The hottest in the world? Damn, it gotta depend on how hottest the hot is. It gotta depend on how hot is the hot.
The hottest. Extreme.
Man,
You gonna feel it in your chest.
man, if I'm gonna do all that, if I'm gonna be blowing fire out my mouth like a dragon, shit, I need 200.
Like milk.
Give me 200K. 100. Damn, it really depends on how hot is the hot though is. Cause I don't know how hot the hottest pepper in the world. I don't even know how hot a pepper is. I don't even know how hot a regular pepper is.
You can kind of tell.
So if a jalapeno hot, no. Yeah, if the little, the little green jalapenos that be coming on the little burritos.
They say it's the Carolina Reaper, record holder. These look like a little flower, like the little Day of the Dead flowers.
I ain't fucking with that. That's gonna kill me. That's out.
Oh yeah, I think it's hella hot if this is the little shit for heat. Comment if y'all know anything about a Scoville scale. Whatever it is, it's in the millions. Exceptionally hot. Hotter than a ghost pepper. 200,000? That's it?
It look like you full because you ain't touched your food in a minute. Yeah, exactly.
Why you trying to put me on blast?
I've been said house.
Your question.
If you was living up in Michael Jackson Fairyland, let's say if he gave it to you, how much they gotta buy that thing from you for?
Like he gave it to me, like in his will was like, get us to Keonnia.
Yep.
They wanna buy it?
Yep. You got Fairyland to yourself. Or whatever it's called. Fairy, whatever. I don't know what it's called. I ain't even gonna lie, but I know it's hella big. And it's like, and it's.
But I think it already got
what I'm
sold though.
about.
Let me see. I think somebody bought that too. I wonder how much they bought it
Man. Well, let's say if he gave it to you though, how much they gotta get that thing? How much they gotta
billions,
get?
definitely.
Some billions, huh?
Hell
Man, you
yeah,
got
nigga, that was
too
Michael
much.
Jackson. What you mean?
Nigga, please. Ain't nobody buying that shit for no billion.
Yes, they would.
Please.
Look,
Some millions. Some
How
millions.
much is it worth?
A cool probably like 250 million maybe. That's probably how much it's going for. I don't think it's going for no more than that. I think Drake shit bigger than that. Drake on top. With the houses, his house. So, man.
Nigga, it is worth 161 million.
160 exactly. I said 200 exactly. Exactly. That's
okay. Then
that's at the bottom of the margin.
They have to give me, if it's worth 161, like 100 mil.
What? You want less? Oh nah, yeah. You getting work slapped over the head. I'm giving that away for free. Yeah. So we finna end this mukbang.
Fell in love with a real one, this a dedication.